Hello children, now I am going to teach you how to write letter F. Letter F. Now here, we start from here, coming down, here, and okay, F. Trace it. F. Letter F. Okay. Now going to write again here F. Like this. Like this. Like this F. Okay. Once again writing. Always make sure that you can write alone and go to write alone. Okay. Now I am sure that I can write alone now. After tracing so many times, now I am going to write on top of this letter F. 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 Okay. The one here. F. Slowly write. Okay. Now going to write alone. The letter is F. 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 Right? F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. What is this letter? Letter F. F for fish. Now you can write letter F alone. Okay. Thank you, children.